The 2024 Land Cruiser Prado 180 is one of the most highly anticipated SUV releases in recent memory. With a reputation for durability and off-road capability, the Land Cruiser has been a favorite of adventurers and families alike for decades. The 2024 model promises to continue that tradition while also adding modern features and technologies to the mix. One of the key improvements for the 2024 Land Cruiser Prado 180 is the updated design. The new model features a more aggressive and modern look, with sharp lines and a sleek profile. The front end has been redesigned with a larger grille and updated headlights, while the rear of the vehicle has been given a sporty new look. Under the hood, the 2024 Land Cruiser Prado 180 is expected to feature a range of engines, including a V6 and a turbocharged 4-cylinder. These engines are expected to offer plenty of power and torque, making the Land Cruiser Prado 180 a capable off-roader as well as a comfortable daily driver. Inside, the Land Cruiser Prado 180 is expected to offer a range of features designed for comfort and convenience. These may include a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging, and a premium sound system. The cabin is likely to be spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo alike. Of course, one of the standout features of any Land Cruiser is its off-road capability. The 2024 Land Cruiser Prado 180 is expected to offer a range of off-road features, including 4-wheel drive, advanced traction control systems, and a range of suspension settings designed for different terrains. Whether you're navigating steep inclines or tackling rocky trails, the Land Cruiser Prado 180 is designed to get you there safely and comfortably. Overall, the 2024 Land Cruiser Prado 180 promises to be an exciting addition to the SUV market. With its modern design, powerful engines, and impressive off-road capabilities, it's sure to appeal to adventurers, families, and anyone who values a reliable, durable vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Give a like and share to your friends. See you in the next video.